What if I told you your next full-body workout could come from something that folds up smaller than your laundry basket? Sounds impossible, right? But this little bench, yes, this one, can handle 880 pounds and transform your living room into a mini fitness studio. You see, there's a reason why home fitness enthusiasts are ditching bulky gym setups for the Orinar adjustable weight press bench. It's not just about saving space, it's about redefining what strength training looks like at home. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this $51 bench might just be the smartest upgrade your home gym will ever get. When Orinar designed this bench, they didn't just think lightweight and compact. They engineered performance and precision into every angle. With 7 adjustable backrest positions, it adapts effortlessly to your workout routine. Chest presses, shoulder raises, ab crunches, leg exercises, all in one smooth motion. Assembly? It takes just 2 minutes. Align the front and back brackets, slide in the pins, lock the foam pads, and you're done. No stress, no confusion. But here's the real game changer: the triangular steel frame. It's not just a design choice, it's a statement of stability. Capable of holding up to 880 pounds, this bench doesn't flinch under pressure. Whether you're lifting light or going heavy, it's built to move with you, not against you. And comfort? Let's just say Orinar nailed it. The thick, high-density foam padding is wrapped in premium sweat-resistant leather, keeping every rep steady and fatigue-free. Even after an intense session, the reinforced stitching holds strong, ready for tomorrow's workout. So here's the takeaway. This isn't just another budget bench. It's a serious training platform designed for real results, long-term use, and effortless setup. At just $51, the Orinar Wake Bench Press offers the kind of value that's hard to ignore. Strong, stylish, and made to last. If you're serious about building your home gym without breaking the bank, this might be the only bench you'll ever need. Check out the full review in the description to see it in action and find out whether it truly deserves a spot in your setup.